Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn soil erosion from the chapter Natural Resources. So, very important question, soil erosion. What is erosion? Definition of erosion. Erosion means the transportation of land particles, that is, the soil particles, from one place to another with the help of moving air and water, either with the help of air, that is wind, or through water. Soil is transported from one place to another. So in other words, the faster transportation, if this process, now for example heavy rain or storm, cyclone, because of this what happened, there is a faster transportation of land particles, and that is known as a soil erosion. So soil erosion, simple definition, transportation of soil particles from one place to another with the help of air and water. See, it takes many years to form the upper layer. Already in last period I have told you how the soil is formed. What are the factors responsible for it? So it takes many years to form this upper layer. But if the soil particles are carried away because of heavy rain or stormy wind, then what will happen? The agriculture production decreases. The soil which is formed due to the millions of years, and because of heavy rain or wind, these soil particles blow away, then our agriculture production will be reduced because our fertile land will become infertile. So it is extremely necessary that we have to maintain this upper layer for agriculture. That's why this soil erosion has to be prevented. See, soil erosion, basically it is caused due to natural factor, that is water flowing downhill, that is heavy rain. Another, wind is responsible for the uh, transportation of the soil particles. And how we are involved for the soil erosion? The first one is the overcropping, means overproduction of agriculture. Overgrazing, taking the animals for grazing in agricultural land. Because of this what happened, the soil gets loosened. Deforestation, due to the cutting of trees, soil erosion takes place. So we will learn one by one. See how you can control soil erosion. Very important question. First, control the grazing activity. If overgrazing is responsible for soil erosion, because of overgrazing what happened, animals graze, and because of which what happened, the soil becomes loose. Because roots help the support for the plant, and if the plant is not there, if roots will not hold the soil, then soil particles will be blown away. So grazing should be not done more. Plantation should be carried out in contour method. Contour method I am going to explain you. Wait. Plant trees in a fallow land. Fallow land means the barren land. If a land which is not suitable for agriculture, it is known as a fallow land. So in that fallow land you can plant more trees, because roots help to hold the soil particles, and because of this roots what will happen, the soil particles will not be transported to the other place. See, this is a contour method. Now in hills, if these lines are not there, what will happen? If heavy rain is there, then the soil particles will be easily taken away with the help of water. But now this is a contour method, where we can say the speed of the water will reduce. It will not directly fall, it will fall step by step, step by step, step by step. And because of this what happened, velocity of water will be reduced, speed of the water will reduce, and soil transportation will be also reduced. So this is a way, in hilly region we can do the contour plowing method, in which the water will move slowly, and because of this soil particles will be also move slowly, and it will lead to the lesser transportation of the soil particles. See, if trees are not there, there is a soil erosion. It leads, loss of plant cover leads to the soil erosion. If plants are there, trees are there, then the roots will hold the soil particles. But if plants are not there, because of which what happen, the soil particles will be blown away. Next method how you can control soil erosion, that is construct check dams where there are streams. Now what is check dam? I am going to tell you. Cultivate very deeply in the field to reduce the speed of water. If we cultivate very deeply, the roots will go very down, and because of this what happened, the soil will not be easily transported to the other place either by water or by air. That's why cultivation should be done very deeply. Now see the check dams. This is a simple check dam. Here stones are made on all the side. Now if rain falls, the water will be accumulated in this particular area. Water will not move out of this area, and because of this what happens, soil will not be eroded. So popular check dams are the best way where the soil cannot be eroded, plus water will be also accumulated over here, which leads to the conservation of water. So this is a check dam, very simple method. So check dams help to prevent soil erosion. Next period I will tell about soil conservation. Thank you.